JD.com Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. In this video, we'll review the JD.com Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator, discussing its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products mentioned are provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. The JD.com Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a specialized tool designed to help e-commerce entrepreneurs streamline their dropshipping operations on JD.com, one of China's largest and most trusted online marketplaces. This integrator is ideal for sellers who want to automate essential processes such as product imports, inventory management, and order fulfillment, enabling them to scale their business efficiently while focusing on growth. One of its standout features is its real-time synchronization of inventory and pricing between suppliers and your JD.com store. This ensures that your listings are always accurate and up-to-date, minimizing the risk of overselling or pricing errors. The integrator also supports bulk product uploads, allowing sellers to add large numbers of products to their store in just a few clicks. Another key feature is automated order processing. Customer orders are automatically forwarded to suppliers, with tracking information updated seamlessly, giving you and your customers a hassle-free experience. A significant strength of this tool lies in its ability to handle JD.com's specific marketplace requirements, including compliance with platform standards and support for multilingual product details. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to manage large inventories, track sales, and oversee the entire order workflow efficiently. It's particularly beneficial for sellers who want to tap into JD.com's massive customer base without being bogged down by manual processes. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. The setup process can be challenging for beginners, especially if they lack experience with API configurations or understanding JD.com's marketplace standards. Additionally, sellers must carefully vet suppliers to avoid potential issues with product quality or shipping delays, as these are not within the integrator's control. Occasionally, minor syncing delays or discrepancies in stock updates may occur, requiring manual intervention. In conclusion, the JD.com Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a powerful and efficient tool for sellers aiming to grow their business on JD.com. Its automation features, bulk upload capabilities, and real-time synchronization make it an excellent choice for scaling operations. While there's a learning curve for new users, the long-term benefits far outweigh the challenges. Check the links in the description for more details and see how this integrator can transform your JD.com dropshipping success.